Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken masala. First, let's prepare our chicken. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. Mix it with 1 cup of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Stir everything together thoroughly. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for a richer flavor, up to 4 hours in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful chicken. Next, we'll build the aromatic base for our masala. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 2 large onions, finely chopped, and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 8 minutes. Then, stir in 1 more tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, add 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder, stirring well to combine. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your marinated chicken pieces to the pan with the fragrant onion and spice mixture. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's no longer pink on the outside. Then, pour in 1 cup of crushed tomatoes and 1/2 cup of water. Stir everything well, cover the pan, and let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is completely tender and cooked through. Our chicken masala is almost ready. For an extra touch of richness, you can stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh cream at this stage. This adds a lovely creamy texture. Finally, garnish your delicious chicken masala with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro. Serve it hot with your favorite side, like fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. This dish is perfect for a comforting meal, offering a wonderful blend of spices and tender chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.